Okay, manonood tayo na yun. Let's go. Ang Growa Garden meme. Let's go. Mag-umpisa tayo dito. Okay, 1 billion dollars pala yun. Nakala ko shekels. Pero shekels yan. Moon Mango, 40k. Next. Crops. Korea tea. Rice. Trash. Traveler. Fruit. Ang bait na ilabubo dyan na may sapatos. Tapos may pusang na shock. Kuha na ba na? Anong basa dyan? Kuha na ba na? Absolute Cinema. Next. Uy, nag-water niya. Tapos, wow! May humampas sa kanya na tomato. 1.5 kilograms. Mushroom. When you're smarter than the seller. Ta. Ito.
Bakit? Ano mas kinatulog ko yan?
Ba't may bakit na dyan?
One? Ang maaga rin.
Let's go. Absolute Cinema. Celestial. Grabe. Moonlit. Trash ng moonlit. Yung Celestial, grabe. Ano yun? Wait lang, iba na to. Ito, next to. How everyone reacts first time na si siya presta. Okay, so mag-intay ka lang. Ano ba to? Si Bendulit to, napanood ko to. Search playlist. Bro, ang tagal! Ito na nga lang. Ito, meron akong ano yun Dragonfly. Meron akong ganyan. Ganyan, Dragonfly. Ganyan na Dragonfly. Meron akong Dragonfly. That is not for kids. So, ilagay may golden corn siya, tapos may malaki siyang grips. When you have bad internet, tapos nag-stock number ng bad, hindi niya mabili araw. So, actually, naglaro na sa akin. Dun sa may kakao, yung nag-stock yung kakao. Yung kakao pa, yung ano pa yun yung kakao pa yung pinakamagandang seed nila. Okay.
Jet2 Holidays. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4. We've got millions of free child place holidays available with 22 kilograms of baggage included.
I got the best garden. This is pretty cute.
Mine's way better.
Wow, she's really rich.
Bro, look at mine.
How does he have so many candy blossoms? My turn. My turn. What the hell was that? This guy is crazy.
Search. Wow, mo. Dahil sa kong tayo pati ba naman may fun? So nag-leave siya next day.
Your garden grew while you were gone. When you left, it looked like this.
Oh my. Strawberry yan. Big strawberry plant in Growa Garden. Tapos may question mark sa dulo.
Alaikum salam!
Here we go. Count 1, guilty. Count 2, guilty. Count 3, guilty. Count 4, guilty.
Wow! gamit cosmetic. Wild carrot. Aray! Nagyari sa akin yan. Nagyari sa akin yan yung wild carrot. Tapos ito yung fossilite. Grabe. Iyak talaga. Boy.
Imagine you're walking to work one day and suddenly, kaboom! Someone drops an atomic bomb on you. Now, imagine if that happened to you twice.
Stealing the people.
Boom! Someone drops an atomic bomb on you.
Okay. Pinaka-flex na ata. Stealing of the stuff the part 4. May coconut. In-stealan niya yung coconut. In-steal niya yung coconut niya. Hinahabol siya. Gorilla tag case. Wala kang... Ito pa nakakalaro na gorilla tag actually. I'm tired of this, Grandpa!
That's too damn bad!
Whoa!
You keep digging!
No!
Alright, I'm ready to go back in business, but I got a friend of mine I need to show you. Where is he now? He likes to dig. Oh, here he is. One sec. Oh,
What happened to him?
I'll be honest, I forgot to feed him.
Alright, just give me your pen. You'll get a dinosaur in return, kid.
Okay, here's my fennec fox. Surely I get something good, right?
Alright, let's see what you got.
Roar, I'm a dinosaur.
What's that? That's not even a part of the update.
Dada.
Come on. Dude, let's go. I got a
Oh, wow,
T-Rex.
very cool, man. I have a dinosaur egg too, but it's very big.
Surely it's not that
Oh,
big.
look,
What
it's
the
a panda
heck?
hatch. I wonder what I'm about to get.
Is that an actual T-Rex?
Alam mo ba, lagi nagre-restock yung big.
Jandel, we need to talk. What the hell happened to this game? I've been gone for maybe a week, right? Just a week. Open up, grow a garden. Looks normal. Gear shop? Same stuff. Seeds? Hey, not much changed. One new seed, I don't even know what it does. Is it good? Is it garbage? And then I see this. What are these freaking dinosaurs doing in Grow a Garden? Are you kidding me? I thought this game was about, growing a damn garden. Now I've got a T-Rex stomping through my seed plots, and there's a mad scientist with a lightning rod on his back. Brother, what timeline is this? What even is this Dino Quest? What do you get from it? And this seed? Is it rare? Is it broken? I need answers. And what the hell is an amber spray? Sounds like bug repellent for fossils. Ancient.
Tapos yung biro. Just na... Yung pa. Okay. So, babay na. Ito na, natatak ng biro ko. Wait lang. Lili. Bilhin mo. Bili.